Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today please join me in cooking beef tinola. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have garlic, ginger, onions, chayote, or we call it in English in the family of squash. We have malunggay leaves. We have chili pepper leaves, olive oil, fish sauce, crushed chili, salt and pepper, and beef bouillon. Now, we have also the beef here, which we boiled already, and this is already tender. I'm using today beef neck. Okay, let's get started. Now, we're using our pot here, and it's warm now or hot now. We're gonna put olive oil. All right, and we'll put our ginger. Okay. We're gonna saute this for 2 minutes. Okay, the ginger is already cooked, so we can add our onions. We use white onions today, and we'll cook this for a minute. Now put our garlic. Add a spoon of fish sauce. Okay. Now we'll add our beef. All right. Remember, the beef is already tender, so this won't take long to cook all the way. All right. And then we're gonna put our beef stock. All right. Okay. And we're gonna simmer this for 5 minutes. Let's cover it. Now let's check on our beef. Yeah, it's starting to boil now. So this time we can add our malunggay leaves, or we call these moringa leaves. Okay, so we'll add it now. Okay, and we'll cover it again. Now let's check on our beef. Wow, it smells good. The moringa leaves really it smells really good when it's cooking. Now we're gonna add beef broth powder. All right. Okay. Here we go. And we will put our chayote. If you don't have what do you call this, chayote, you can also use the green papaya or the unripe papaya. But since I don't have the papaya, what I have only here is chayote, I use chayote. Okay, so let's cover this and simmer this for the next 3 minutes. And this time I can add our jalapeno. This time I'm going to use jalapeno instead of the crushed chili. Alright, cover it again. After 2 minutes, let's check these vegetables. Wow. And the last vegetable we're going to add is the chili pepper leaves. Okay, this is frozen before when I bought it. Okay, so and then we will add a little of dash of salt here and dust of pepper, and then we will cook it for the next 2 minutes again, and we're gonna do the final taste of this, you know. All right, let's cover it. Now let's check our tinola. Wow, smells real good, yummy, yummy. Now we're gonna transfer this in a serving dish, and it's done. Here's our finished product, beef tinola. Let's remove the cover. Wow. All right. So please share this recipe, beef tinola, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future cooking videos. Thank you and have a good day.